next we are going to see with conservation of angular momentum. This question is very, very important. What is the conservation of angular momentum is when no external torque acts on a body, the net angular momentum of a rotating rigid body remains constant. This is law of conservation of angular momentum. So what is it said here is when no external torque. So when tau is equal to 0, then net angular momentum is equal to 0. So if you add all the momentum, that will be equal to 0. Okay, so that is the statement of this conservation of angular momentum. So what is the statement is when no external torque acts on a body, the net angular momentum of a rotating rigid body remains constant. Clear? So tau is equal to dl by dt. So this is the equation which we know already, the relation between torque and angular momentum. So tau is equal to dl by dt. So what is the condition is tau is equal to 0. அப்ப tau 0 அப்படின்னா 0 which is equal to dl by dt ன்னு வருமா நம்மளுக்கு. Okay, so what is this d divided by dt is, that is the differentiation. Okay, so எப்போ நம்மளுக்கு differentiation of any term is equal to 0, when that term is equal to constant. So we can say that L is equal to constant. Clear? So torque 0 இருக்கும்போது angular momentum தான் எது L. So angular momentum L எப்படி இருக்கு, கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டா இருக்கு. Okay, so that is the statement in this. Okay, so let us take with L is equal to I into omega. This is the other formula which we are taking. So this, when you are writing for initial and the final situation, this can be written as I. Okay, this is for initial we are writing as I, and for final we are writing as F. So II into omega I is equal to IF omega F. Generally this can be written as I omega is equal to constant. Okay, where I is a moment of inertia and omega is said to be the angular velocity. Clear? Where the principle of angular momentum is applicable. One striking example is an ice dancer. So what is, how this becomes as an example is when the dancer spins slowly, the hands are stretched out. So எப்போ hands வந்து stretched இருக்கும்போது the dancer will spin slowly, and same way when the hands are brought closer, spins faster. Okay, so stretching of hands away from the body. So hands வந்து stretch பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகுதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா moment of inertia increases. Okay, so I வந்து என்ன ஆகும், increase ஆகும். Okay, so moment of inertia தான் என்னது I. If I increases, what happens to angular velocity? Angular velocity ன்றது என்னது omega. Omega வந்து என்ன ஆகுது, decreases அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So resulting in the slower spin. அதனால angular velocityனால தான் என்ன ஆக முடியும், ஸ்பின் ஆக முடியும். அது என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, இங்கே டிக்ரீஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. அதனால ஸ்லோவா ஸ்பின் ஆகுறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. when this is the condition when the hands are stretched out. Okay, so next condition is what, when the hands are brought closer. அப்போ brought closer அப்போ என்ன இருக்கும், அப்படியே ஆப்போசிட் கண்டிஷன் வரும். என்ன கண்டிஷன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, so this is the condition when the hands are brought close to the body, moment of inertia ஆகும், decrease ஆகும், angular velocity increase ஆகும். அதனால faster spin இருக்கும். புரிஞ்சதா? first condition when the hands are far away. Okay, so when the hands are far away, what happens, the angular velocity decreases. Okay, so this is the case here, the hands are far away. So angular velocity I moment of inertia ஆகும், increase ஆகுது, angular velocity ஆகுது, decrease ஆகுது. So it is small. So அதனால slower spin ஆவாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Here when the hands are brought closer, moment of inertia decreases, so angular velocity increases, அதனால என்னாக faster spin ஆவாங்க. Okay, clear? So this is one example for this conservation of angular momentum. Okay, then second example is diver while in the air. Okay, so when any man is diving, okay, what happens, he curls the body close to decrease the moment of inertia, which in turn helps to increase the number of somersaults. So இங்க dive பண்ணும்போது if he is performing somersault அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, he is bringing the body close. Okay, so body வந்து க்ளோஸாக கொண்டு வந்துருவாங்க. அப்படி க்ளோஸாக கொண்டு வந்துட்டா என்ன ஆகும், he can decrease the moment of inertia. So moment of inertia decrease ஆச்சுன்னா என்ன ஆகும், angular velocity increase ஆகும். So he can spin to the larger extent, or he can perform with larger number of somersaults. Okay, so this is the second example. It is given with this diagram. So diver, he is diving, he brings his body closer here. So when he is bringing the body closer like this, what happens, this angular velocity will increase. So I வந்து என்ன ஆகுது, decrease ஆயிடுது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So I decrease ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா என்ன ஆகும், angular velocity omega வந்து increase ஆகும். If omega is increasing, he can perform with number of somersaults in the air itself. Clear?